Today I am going to discuss about formation of differential equation. Form the differential equation corresponding to y square equal to ab minus x b plus x by eliminating parameter a and b. The equation of the family of curves is y square equal to a b square minus x square. Now in this equation here two parameters is present. One is a and another is b. So we will differentiate this equation two times to eliminate the parameter a and b. Differentiate this equation with respect to x, we get 2y dy dx. This is constant, so derivative of this is 0. Derivative of x square is minus 2x. Now cancel 2 y dy dx equals to minus ax. This is equation number 2. To eliminate a, we have to differentiate this equation once more time. Then it will become y d2y dx2 to keep constant y d2y dx2 plus dy dx. Derivative of y is dy dx. So this is dy dx whole square equals to minus a. This is equation number 3. Now substituting the value of a obtained from equation 3 into, we get y dy dx equals to minus a. Minus a means y d2y dx2 plus dy dx whole square into x. So the differential equation of this curve is x y d2y dx2 plus dy dx whole square equals to y dy dx. Now consider another example. Form the differential equation having y equal to sin inverse x whole square plus a cos inverse x plus b. Here the arbitrary constant are a and b. We have to eliminate the arbitrary constant a and b. Two arbitrary constants is present, so we have to derivative this equation two times. dy dx. Derivative of sin inverse whole square is 2 sin inverse x. If we consider z equal to sin inverse x, then z equal to sin inverse x and z square, derivative of z square is 2z. So the derivative of sin inverse x whole square is 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x. Now derivative of z means sin inverse x is d dx of sin inverse x plus a d dx of cos inverse x. Constant b, derivative of b is 0. dy dx equals to 2 sin inverse x. Derivative of d sin inverse x is root over 1 minus x square. And derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. Now multiply both sides by root over 1 minus x square. Now we have to eliminate the parameter a. So we differentiate this equation once more. The derivative of root over 1 minus x square is, if we take z equal to 1 root over 1 minus x square, root z equals to half, derivative of root z equals to half z to the power minus half 1 minus z, half z to the power half minus 1 equals to 1 by 2 root z. So the derivative of root over 1 minus x square is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square. 1 by 2 root z. 1 by 2 root over d dx of 1 minus x square into dy dx plus root over 1 minus x square. This is constant now. Derivative of dy dx is d2y dx2 equals to derivative of sin inverse x is 2 root over 1 minus x square. And derivative of a is 0. Now the derivative of 1 minus x square is 1 is 0 and x square is minus 2x. Minus 2x by root over 1 minus x square dy dx plus root over 1 minus x square d2y dx2 equals to 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Now multiply both sides by root over 1 minus x square, we get minus x dy dx plus d2y dx2 equals to 2. Plus 1. Consider another example.